Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Paper C, Cytology, Genetics and Evolution. From the portion Cytology, Chapter A according to syllabus, Cell Organelles. Mitochondria, first examined by Kolliker in 1850. It is also known as the powerhouse of the cell because energy is released in the form of ATP in the mitochondria. Structure of mitochondria, double layered or double membrane structure. Outer membrane is smooth. Inner membrane has infoldings. These infoldings are known as cristae. The space between outer and inner membrane is known as the intermembrane space. Inside the inner membrane, this portion is matrix. In the matrix, the mitochondria have their own DNA as well as own ribosome. Because of having the DNA, it is self-replicating. On these infoldings, F0, F1 particles or ATPase synthase complex is present. F0, F1 consists of two parts. Head part is known as F1. Tail part is known as the F0. Function of F0, F1 particle in the electron transport chain of respiration. जब भी इंटरमेम्ब्रेन स्पेस में हमारे पास प्रोटॉन्स की कंसंट्रेशन ज़्यादा हो जाती है सो दे विल मूव फ्रॉम द रीजन ऑफ हायर कंसंट्रेशन टू द रीजन ऑफ लोअर कंसंट्रेशन. तो इस वजह से प्रोटॉन इंटरमेम्ब्रेन से स्पेस में से मैट्रिक्स की तरफ जाते हैं और ये प्रोसेस हमारे पास F0 इसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. जैसे ही हमारे पास प्रोटॉन मैट्रिक्स की तरफ आते हैं दिस रिएक्शन इज कपल्ड विद दी सिंथेस ऑफ द ATP और इसके लिए जो हमारे पास रिस्पॉन्सिबल है वो F1 है. ADP अलॉन्ग विद द इनऑर्गेनिक फॉस्फेट रिजल्ट्स इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ATP. चूँकि ये दो रिएक्शन हमारे पास, ये दो प्रोसेस हमारे पास कह लें एट अ टाइम होते हैं, प्रोटॉन का ट्रांसपोर्ट और ATP की सिंथेसिस. देयरफॉर इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज द केमियोस्मोटिक कपलिंग थ्योरी. Functions of function of mitochondria, Krebs cycle and electron transport chain. The two steps of respiration takes place in the mitochondria. Second, evolution of carbon dioxide during photorespiration occurs in the mitochondria. Third, fatty acid oxidation, that is the conversion of fatty acid into acetyl groups. It also takes place in the mitochondria. Next, cell organelle dictyosome. In the plant it is known as dictyosome, while in the animal's case it is also known as Golgi complex, Golgi bodies and Golgi apparatus. The dictyosome made up of three components. These are known as the cisternae, these are the vesicles and these are the tubules. So vesicles, tubules and cisternae collectively form a unit that is known as the dictyosome. First discovered by the Camillo Golgi in 1898. There are two faces of the dictyosome. That one is known as the proximal. Proximal means near, मतलब ये वाला region, ये वाला part इसका न्यूक्लियस से करीब प्रेजेंट है. Proximal phase, forming phase, मतलब dictyosomes का यहाँ पर इसकी formation स्टार्ट हो रही है. And cis phase. The cisternae at the convex end, that is the convex end of the dictyosome comprises proximal, forming or cis phase. And cisternae at the concave end of the dictyosome comprise distal. Distal कहते हैं दूर को, मतलब ये न्यूक्लियस से दूर है, प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के करीब प्रेजेंट है. मैच्योरिंग, यहाँ पर इसकी फॉर्मेशन स्टार्ट हो रही है और ये आहिस्ता आहिस्ता जो है मैच्योर होता जा रहा है. देयरफॉर इज नोन एज द मैच्योरिंग फेज एंड ऑल्सो नोन एज द ट्रांस फेज. Functions of the dictyosome, this complex is often referred to as the traffic police. बिकॉज जहाँ पर हमारे पास प्रोटीन्स रिक्वायर्ड होते हैं ये उनको, उन प्रोटीन्स को उनकी प्रॉपर डेस्टिनेशन तक, उनकी प्रॉपर जगह तक पहुँचाता है. सेल में जहाँ जिस वक्त जो प्रोटीन्स रिक्वायर्ड हैं ये उनको उस तक पहुँचाता है. सेकेंड, इन्वॉल्व इन द सिक्रीशन ऑफ मटीरियल ऑफ प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी सेल वॉल्स, that is the formation and export of glycoprotein, lipids, pectin and monomer for hemicellulose, cellulose and lignin. Third, they process the immature enzymes into functional enzymes. Fourth, involved in the cell secretion, for example slime secretion from leaf glands of Drosera. Drosera is an insectivorous plant. उनके लीव्स पर ये जो स्लाइम सिक्रीट होता है स्टिकी मटेरियल है. जब इंसेक्ट आके लीव्स पर बैठते हैं स्लाइम के साथ स्टिक हो जाते हैं and then they are digested by the insectivorous plant Drosera. Involved in the intracellular and intercellular transport means सेल के अंदर भी ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं जहाँ कोई मटेरियल रिक्वायर्ड हो और दो सेल्स के दरमियान में भी ट्रांसपोर्ट में हेल्प करते हैं. पिंच ऑफ वेजिकल्स, मतलब इसमें से जो वेजिकल्स अराइज होते हैं दे फ्यूज टू फॉर्म द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन, और प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के साथ अटैच होते हैं, उसकी फॉर्मेशन में हेल्प करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, राइबोसोम आइदर प्रेजेंट फ्रीली इन द साइटोप्लाज्म और अटैच टू द रेफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, chemically composed of ribosomal RNA and protein. There are two subunits, one is larger, another one is the smaller. The two subunits are held together by magnesium ions. Larger subunit size is 60s, smaller subunit size is 40s. Total size of the ribosome is 80s. S is for the Sevberg unit. The size of ribosomes are known in terms of speed with which they sediment in the centrifuge machine. Two subunits of ribosome, larger subunit and smaller subunit. When at the time of protein synthesis, when these units combine together, this is the total ribosome. Ribosome first discovered by Pellet in 1955. Polysome, when in certain circumstances when many ribosomes are attached to a single messenger RNA, the structure form is known as the polysome. Functions of the ribosomes, they are involved in the protein synthesis. Next is the endoplasmic reticulum. Reticulum means network. It is actually the network of tubules present in the cytoplasm. As it present inside the cytoplasm, therefore known as endoplasmic reticulum. First seen in 1945 by K. Porter, A. Claude and E. Fulham. ER consists of long flattened sac-like tubule which is known as cisternae. The endoplasmic reticulum, they are continuous with the nuclear membrane by means of the pore present in the nuclear membrane. Structure of the endoplasmic reticulum, this is the nucleus. This region where the nuclear pore are present in the nuclear membrane, that part is continuous with the endoplasmic reticulum. The type of endoplasmic reticulum near to the nucleus is rough endoplasmic reticulum, and the next is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Two types of endoplasmic reticulum, RER and SER. Rough endoplasmic reticulum with the attached ribosome, smooth endoplasmic reticulum without ribosome. Functions of the endoplasmic reticulum, the type of ER with attached ribosome, RER involved in the protein synthesis. ER is responsible for providing mechanical support to the cell. SER responsible for the detoxification, means removal of toxins from the cell. SER involved in the lipid synthesis. It helps in the transport of material inside the cell. The endoplasmic reticulum smooth endoplasmic reticulum provides surface to certain enzymes that are involved in the carbohydrate metabolism.